students. We are representing the FEU group of schools. You know for a fact po that there are several campuses under the FEU group of schools umbrella. Of course, for the FEU Roosevelt cluster, we have Cainta, Marikina, and then Roosevelt. And then of course, for FEU Tech, or the FEU Institute of Technology, we have Alabang, Diliman, and then of course, FEU Tech in Manila. And then in the FEU Manila cluster, we have FEU Manila, which is the main campus. We have FEU High School, and then of course, we have FEU Cavite. Now, we believe we have here with us the grade 12 students of FEU Roosevelt, and I'm sure even the parents who are here would like to hear about the different program offerings that FEU campuses are offering for your children for their college. So, Karen will be talking about the different offerings po ng bawat FEU campus po namin, and then at the same time, hopefully, if there are some questions that you would want us to address, we are going to be of full service to you tonight. Hindi lang po ngayon, kundi araw-araw with Ma'am Asman and of course, our parents who are here. Lagi po kami on call, 24/7 halos. Okay, just to help address po yung inyong mga inquiries. And then at the same time, I'll be providing to you my calling cards with Karen po. Anything that you need during enrollment or during registration, we are also very much ready to support, of course, Ma'am Azon para po maging very smooth yung process po ng inyong admission as well as registration for college. By the way, we are also finalizing our admission express, meaning to say, lahat po ng mga grade 12 students under FEU Roosevelt, ODL, there is no need anymore for you to accomplish, again, the different information na kailangan po sa ating admission portal for your college. What we are going to do now is, there will be this specific automatic link na kung saan you will just have to take a specific field that you are already a student of FEU, okay? Then specify there what particular FEU campus. Tapos po, ang gagawin lang is for you to mention what particular program you wish to enroll with us, and then anong particular campus you would want to enroll or you would want to pursue your college. So again, no need anymore na pagkahaba-haba, gaya po na ginawa natin last time, yung tinulungan po nila kayo na i-fill out lahat ng mga information na kailangan namin for the processing of your admission. No need for that. Okay? It's a shortcut version. It's what we call our Admission Express for all our FEU senior high school or grade 12 students. This is going to be for the smooth processing of your enrollment for college. Okay? So, for the meantime, Karen will be discussing everything about the different FEU campuses offerings. Whatever questions you will be raising later, we are going to address them. Salamat po.
Thank you, Dr. Michelle, and happy guest birthday, ma'am. Alright, so pleasant evening to each and everyone. Hello, everybody. Hello. Okay, future Tamaraos for incoming college degree levels. So I'm Miss Karen once again together with Dr. Michelle, and we are from the FEU group of schools. Now, why did I say the FEU group of schools? Simply because in one admission test or entrance examination, it will be valid in our 7 campuses of FEU. Well, actually, na-discuss na siya a while ago ni Dr. Michelle. That includes the FEU Main in Manila. We also have the FEU Makati, our innovative campuses which composes of FEU Tech, Diliman, and of course, FEU Cavite in the south and FEU Roosevelt. Now, before I proceed with my presentation, let me ask you, my dear students, are you all ready for your future? Ay, hindi. Okay lang yan. Ikagalit na naman. Okay. Well, I think you're still planning for what degree program you wanted to take in college. We're actually here to guide you for what programs you wanted to choose for your tertiary education. Now, for our campuses, which includes the main campus in Manila, if you're eyeing for pre-med programs, offered po siya actually sa main campus in Manila. So that includes, nandyan po siya sa fan na binigay ko po sa inyo. So that includes nursing, medical technology, pharmacy, psychology. We also have nutrition and dietetics and biology program. But actually, marami pang offerings sa Manila main campus. Accountancy, architecture, hospitality, political science, liberal arts program is also offered in main campus in Manila. Now, moving forward in FEU Makati, Makati po is our business school. So basically, it only offers business programs only. So that includes accountancy, internal auditing, and business administration program. Now, let's move forward to our innovative campuses. Miss Karen, bakit po siya tinatawag na innovative campuses? Simply because they're the ones offering our engineering, IT programs, and multimedia arts programs. So this includes FEU Tech. Si FEU Tech po, ito po siya, si FEU Tech po, ang tawag po talaga sa kanya ay FEU Institute of Technology. Nasa Moraita, Manila lang din po siya. Nasa tapat lang po siya ng TRC, blocks away from the main campus in Manila. And we also have FEU Diliman, nasa Quezon City lang po si FEU Diliman, and FEU Alabang po in Muntinlupa, Alabang, Philinvest po, si FEU Alabang. Now, just a quick trivia of our innovative campuses. Don't you know that FEU Tempo is our Marvel campus in the U-Belt area, simply because we have the tallest building in U-Belt. Now, for FEU Diliman, nakapunta na kayo sa SM North, kung hindi pa familiar ni SM North? Yes, okay. Now, kung gaano po kalaki si SM North, ganun din po kalaki si FEU Diliman. Why? Because we have our very own football field in FEU Diliman. Now, some games in NCAA, we actually had football po. The games, UAAP, NCAA usually held po in FEU Diliman. And lastly, FEU Alabang. FEU Alabang is one of the most innovative campuses of FEU simply because we have our very own escalator. And we also have, well actually marami kayong modes of, you know, pwede kayong elevator, pwede kayong escalator, pwede rin po kayong stairs kung nag-exercise po kayo. Okay? Now, you feel like you're in a mall, actually you're in FEU Alabang. One of the most innovative. However, please take note, ang ina-offer lang po na programs, multimedia, engineering, IT programs for FEU Alabang. Now, let's move forward to FEU Cavite in the south. Nasa Silang Cavite po ito. Metro Gate, Silang Cavite. Now, in FEU Cavite, they're the ones offering dormitory inside the campus. You'll also be having free shuttle service and point-to-point po. Free shuttle service, meron po specific pick-up point and then drop-off point in FEU Cavite. And then, for the dormitory, it will range around 3,000 to 5,000 a month. And then for FEU Cavite, meron po kami extension programs for pre-med, which is the medical technology program. Meron din pong psychology sa FEU Cavite, if in case you're residing po in South area. Okay? Now in FEU Roosevelt, nabanggit ko po ni Doc Mesh a while ago, we have 3 campuses for FEU Roosevelt. Cainta, Montalban, Rodriguez Rizal, as well as Marikina. Okay? Now, for the tertiary education for FEU Roosevelt, offered lang po siya sa 2 campuses, FEU Marikina and FEU Cainta. Okay, wala pa po siya sa FEU Roosevelt, Montalban. Now, for the scholarship grants, I'll be discussing about the scholarship offerings intended for Manila and Makati campus. For the other scholarship grants at the other campuses, you may visit their official website. Ang pinagkaparehas lang po namin ng lahat ng campuses, entrance examination, entrance scholarship program. Okay? So once na-take po kayo na entrance examination, that's actually automatic for entrance scholarship program. However, please take note for the 2 qualifications. Number 1, you need to have a superior rating for the examination. And number 2, 90 and above average, once you graduate po on your grade 12 level, you might be offered of our entrance scholarship program. This card ay ano pang benefit? No tuition fee and no miscellaneous fee up until you graduate po in FEU Manila. You just have to maintain your grades lang po every semester. This is regardless po of your program. Okay, clear? Okay. Well, on the other hand, once you excellently perform in your academics, you will qualify in our academic scholarship grant in the next semester. So, meaning second sem po. Kasi kukunin namin yung grades yun ng first sem, and in second sem, you might be qualified na for academic scholarship grant. Hindi nyo po ito kailangang applyan. Systematically generated po siya ng system. If ever you'll be qualified for the academic scholar, 20 to 100% discount. Clear? Okay, next. This scholarship is actually a needs-based. Pag sinabi pong needs-based, nakadepende po siya sa income ng mga parents ninyo. Now, we are offering number 1, LEAP Scholarship, Long-Term Educational Assistance Program na nakabase sa income ng parents, both the mom and dad. So, if your mom and daddy is earning 100,000 income every year, combined income ni parents, 100,000, pwede mo po siya applyan. You need to submit necessary requirements, ITR, affidavit, nakapost po yun actually sa site. Kung ano po yung mga requirements na need i-submit. Once qualified po kayo for the LEAP Scholarship, you'll be having a dormitory in Manila, allowances, no tuition fee, and miscellaneous fee. And then meron din po tayong tuition discount. Pero second sem po po siya pwedeng applyan. You need to decide first for 1 semester in FEU Manila before you can apply for the tuition discount scholarship. 400,000 income of the parents in a year. Now, ang benefit naman po nito is tuition fee discount. Miscellaneous fee na lang po ang babayaran ninyo sa FEU Manila. Okay? Clear po ba tayo? Okay. Familiar kay UAAP? Yes. Kakilala ng ating FEU? Familiar kayo pero hindi ka lang okay lang. Kasi ibang school na banggit niya. Okay. Hindi kayo familiar ni Arvin Santos. Medyo sikat siya lately actually because of the basketball. Okay. Basketball po si Arvin Santos. Terrence Romeo. Familiar kayo? Sila mag-yes. Familiar talaga yan sila na. Okay. Si Rachel Andapis naman. Punta kayo sa volleyball. Rachel Andapis. Familiar kayo? Hindi kayo familiar kay Rachel Andapis. Si Bernadette Pons. Si Celine Domingo. Hindi pa din? Okay, sige. Okay, masustructure sa Facebook mamaya. Okay. Now, if you wanted to represent the Tabernacle community in UAAP, of course, you need to try out an audition for basketball, volleyball, soccer, and other sports catered under UAAP. But actually, we do have our new program under UAAP, and we call it the eSports. Yung mga naglalaro po ng Mobile Legends, Valorant, meron dito athletics team under that program. Familiar kay Roblox? Yes! I'm familiar kay Roblox. Pero wala siya sa UAAP na. Wala naman. Usually Mobile Legends lang po, Valorant. However, once again, you need to try out an audition. Wala po kaming online tryout ha. Kailangan niyo pong lumipad sa Pilipinas kung po kayo magta-tryout sa FEU. Now, for basketball, number 1, sponsored po sila ng Puma Apparels from Ito. They do have their dormitory, allowances, no tuition fee, and no miscellaneous fee. Now, kung hindi naman kayo sporty, but you have your special talents with you, you can actually audition as well for our Center for the Arts Department. Singing, dancing, cheer dancing, meron din pong drum and bugle, bamboo band, FEU choral, pwede po kayo mag-audition. Okay? 20 to 100% discount depending on the recommendation po of your coaches. Clear? Sure? Okay. Now, meron din po tayo na-offer not just internally but external scholarship grantors and industry partners like SM Foundation. Nandito ang mga STEM students. Familiar with DOST scholarship? Yes? Good. Okay. Partner po sa FEU ng DOST scholarship under this program. We do have applied mathematics, biology, psychology, secondary education major in science, and the engineering programs din po under DOST for FEU Tech. Okay? And we also have a partnership with San Miguel Corporation. Kilala po ba sa San Miguel Corporation? Sino pa may-ari ng San Miguel? Sino po ang may-ari ng San Miguel? Ang cute po.
May yung po yung anak.
Ay, ako sa yung anak. Sige po, yung last name na lang niya. Yung last name ng anak niya. Ay, okay. Si Ramon Ang po. Pamilya kay Ramon Ang. Okay, CEO po siya ng San Miguel Corporation, and he's also providing a scholarship for you students, specifically for psychology, architecture, accountancy, nursing program, and medical technology. All of our externally funded scholarship is actually posted on our Facebook page, FEU Financial Assistance. Marami po pong scholarship kasi na-offer si FEU, Security Bank, CHED, DOST, SM Foundation, Mega World sa mga ABM students, and a lot more. For Mega World Foundation, you just have to visit their website. Pag may application, pwede nyo lang po siyang applyan. May mga youth student po ba tayo dito? Youth? Meron. I'm sure.
Kahit athletes po ba, mabibigyan ng scholarship just from their sports lang po?
Actually, is waiting for the scholarship ng athletics team. Meron po tayo tinatawag na Team A and Team B. Okay? Team A, sila na po ang nakikita niyo sa TV na nag-represent ng Tamaraw community. Team B, sila po ang tinatawag na reserve athletes. Okay? Now, depende po siya sa recommendation ng mga coaches if nasaan po ang status ng student nung magta-try out pa lang po siya. Okay? Pero usually ang mga reserve po, part na din naman po siya ng scholarship grant ng FEU Manila. Okay?
Yes, I just want to address the question. The athletics department will be mentioning to the admissions and financial assistance office. Kami po yun. What particular percentage will be provided to the students upon approval na siya po ay isa ng ganap na atleta ni FEU. Pero majority of their athletes is actually 100% tuition, yes, tuition grant. Okay?
You just need to perform well. Yan lang siya. Okay? Now,
Would you like to, gusto mo ba? Particular sport? Basketball. Yeah. Volleyball. Ay, napaka-kaya. Okay. Come on, please join our athletics department. Wala na po burden sa part ng inyong mga magulang. It's going to be for free for your tuition, and of course, meron pong allowance na ipoprovide pa ang FEU, and you have your own dormitory. Once you are an athlete of FEU, talaga pong inaalagaan yan ni FEU because you are providing service to the institution. So it's not just about your tuition, but as well as your food allowance and your dormitory allowance. And kompleto pa po, of course, sa inyong uniform. Okay?
okay. Now, I just wanted to announce to everybody that we will be having our upcoming entrance examination. So you don't need to fly back to the Philippines for you to take the examination. And you'll also be prioritized for the entrance scholarship program. This will be held at Philippine School Doha on October 30. You don't need to register online anymore. Walk-in applicants accepted. Just take note of the things to bring: a lead pencil, and you also need your school ID. And since you are part of the FEU Roosevelt, under the FEU group of school, you only need to settle po for the testing center fee of 135 Qatari riyals. Pag may mga kakilala po kayo na hindi part ng FEU Roosevelt, pero grade 12 po sila, pwede niyo po silang i-invite. But please let them know, meron po silang isa-settle na USD 100, or ang conversion po niya sa Qatari riyals is 364 Qatari riyals, plus testing center fee po sila na 135. Okay? Kapag hindi po part ng FEU Roosevelt. Okay? Pag part kayo ng FEU Roosevelt, testing center fee lang po na 135 Qatari riyals. Okay? Pag hindi po part ng FEU Roosevelt, admission fee of USD 100 or 364 Qatari riyals, plus testing center fee of 135. Once again, you don't need to register online anymore. Punta na lang po sa TSD. 1 o'clock p.m. po mag-start ang examination. Be there at Philippine School Doha 30 minutes before 1 o'clock. And then, just bring with you your pencil. Also bring with you your ID and hopefully you'll grab the chance and opportunity to take our FU College Admission Test this coming Thursday, October 30. Bago po kayo may Halloween party po ba tayo? Yes, sakto. Yes, 30 exam and then Halloween party naman after. Now, I do hope I'll see you all at Philippine School Doha this coming Thursday at 1 o'clock p.m. And you'll all be part of the FU, but actually part na kayo ng Tamaraw community. Extend natin siya for your college, and you'll be also be part of the FU Tamaraw community either in Manila, Makati, FU Tech, Diliman, Alabang, Roosevelt, or Cavite. Now, always remember to be brave, be a Tamaraw, and make it to FU. Let's go, Tamaraws! Let's go! Maraming salamat po!
By the way, for the different program offerings po ng bawat campus, Karen provided you the brochures, the fan, the flyers. So, may i-correct lang po kami for FU Roosevelt. We have a new program, and that's BS Psychology. So, hindi po siya naka-include dito, but please inform the other grade 12 students. Meron na po tayong BS Psychology under the FU Roosevelt class.